you missing one or more teeth and considering a dental implant? Do you need to know what dental implants are? Let's take a quick tour. Dental implants are a simple and long-lasting way to securely support replacements for missing teeth. They act as an anchor for dental crowns, bridges, and dentures. Implants have three basic parts. The implant itself integrates to the tooth, socket, or jaw, a transitional piece that comes through the gum line called the abutment, and the teeth that attach. If you need to replace a single tooth, a single implant supports a single crown. If you're missing multiple teeth, 2 or more implants support a bridge of teeth. If you're missing all your teeth, 2, 4, or 6 implants can support an entire arch of teeth or anchor a denture. Most people are candidates for dental implants. So if you're battling loose dentures or embarrassed by missing teeth, talk to your dentist about getting a referral to Coronation Dental Specialty Group, or call us directly to discuss dental implants as an option. Have you already made the decision to have an implant and want to know what the procedure is? Click on the next video.